So the ingredients are condensed milk and sour cream, and that's it. You'll need 270 milliliters of condensed milk and 400 milliliters of sour cream. 400 grams, it roughly adds up to the same amount. Let's do this. So what you want to do is take a mixing bowl and add your sour cream in there. If it wants to leave the packet. There we go. And if you have some left, just eat it. So good. I wouldn't recommend this recipe if you're lactose intolerant. I think you would die if you ate this. And then add the 270 milliliters of condensed milk. Woohoo! I love both of these ingredients so much. The sour cream is just perfect when you're eating pierogi or pancakes for that matter. And condensed milk is just, if you drink tea, it's just perfect. You can just put it in a small bowl and just eat it with a spoon. I know we ate it like that back in Russia, and I still sometimes do here. Of course, you can lick the spoon afterwards. Take a whisk and whisk everything up. Keep whisking until there are no lumps left from the sour cream. You can pretty much use this as a base and add anything you like. Some fruit, some cookies, maybe some tuna, maybe tomatoes. I don't know what kind of ice cream you will want. Then take a container that you will put in the freezer and pour everything in there. Put a lid on it and put it in your freezer for at least 6 hours, but make sure to come back after 2 hours and stir everything up so that you break up the ice crystals and don't get that crunchy, disgusting, icy taste to your ice cream. Oh, let's go to the fridge. Oh yeah, by the way, since we're in the fridge, a quick tip. This is how we freeze our pasta sauces. We just put them into zip bags, flatten them out, and you can stack them pretty high and save so much space. So here's a quick life hack for you. In goes the ice cream. See you in 2 hours. So about 2 hours later, as you can see, our ice cream is not fully formed yet, but there are some frozen parts. So give that a real good stir, that everything is nicely mixed up. There we go. And now let's put it back into the freezer. So, it's time for the big reveal. I ended up leaving it overnight in the freezer because I did not have the time to film it yesterday. So, let's check it out. As you may notice, I already took some bites because I was a bit too curious. Take an ice scoop and scoop one nice... Well, I just catapulted some ice cream across my kitchen. I'm just gonna get that. That was not supposed to happen. Alright, as I was saying, just get yourself a nice roll of the ice cream. It's a bit firm still, but manageable. Oh my god. That's one scoop. I'm gonna start off with that because I don't feel like eating too much of it. And there you go. It pretty much looks as regular ice cream.